Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin with a quick, focused prep. Back up at least one important folder or create a disk image to external media. Once done, confirm the OS version and that you have enough free disk space. Check whether you need 64-bit versus 32-bit software and make sure you have admin rights. Next, download the official installer and verify its checksum. Then close unrelated apps and create a restore point so you can roll back if anything goes wrong during the install. You now run the installer as administrator and accept the UAC prompt. This ensures required permissions. During setup, choose Custom Install when available so you control the install path, select only the components you need, and avoid bundled defaults. Make sure to read permission dialogues and check for needed dependencies. If drivers or helper services are offered, decide based on hardware. Once the installer proceeds, monitor the progress and logs. Pause any heavy downloads or updates that could interfere with bandwidth or disk I/O. You finish by restarting if the installer requests it. After reboot, launch the app and verify the version, features, and license activation. Next, install any recommended updates or drivers, remove temporary files to save space, and create a new restore point so your working state is preserved. If something fails, use safe mode or system restore to roll back, check the install or event logs for error codes, and, as a last resort, uninstall then reinstall. This sequence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.